In an age when clean and safe drinking water is essential, Fillterpur is at the forefront of innovation in the water purification industry. Founded in 2013, Fillterpur provide one-stop OEM service from design to delivery, combining cutting-edge R&D with a strong sales strategy. With an investment of over RMB 80 million, Fillterpur has a 20,000 square meter plant area, and multiple workshops include injection workshop, intelligent warehouse, RO membrane workshop, water filter workshop, assembly production line to produce high-quality water purifiers, water filter, RO membrane, etc. Fillterpur, not just a product supplier, but also your customized water purification technology partner. Our experts have 20 years of research and development experience creating water purification solutions that meet the diverse needs of our global customers. We understand each customer has unique requirements, and we provide tailor-made solutions based on their specific 3D drawings. This customer-centric approach allows us to optimize our product structures, ensuring that they not only meet industry standards, but also exceed them. Our production capacity is impressive. Factory use MES system, production capacity of water filter is 10 million pieces a year. RO membrane components 3 million a year, with the ability to produce over 100 molds per month. Efficient mold cycle management of only 20 to 35 days allows us to respond quickly to market demands. Each of our machines is equipped with advanced robotic arms, increasing the precision and efficiency of the manufacturing process. This level of automation not only streamlines production, but also ensures that every water purifier we produce is of the highest quality. Fillterpur's commitment to excellence has not gone unnoticed. We have received several certifications, including CB, SGS, and CE, Factory ISO 9001 Certificate Product Patent, which demonstrate our adherence to international quality standards. RO water purifiers are one of our flagship products, designed to provide superior drinking water filtration and purification. Our RO water purifiers use advanced reverse osmosis technology to effectively remove impurities, pollutants, and harmful substances, ensuring that every drop of water is safe to drink. With a focus on efficiency and sustainability, our water purifiers are designed to minimize water waste while maximizing purification results. This makes them an ideal choice for homes and businesses, helping to achieve a healthier and more sustainable future. In addition to our state-of-the-art products, Fillterpur is committed to building strong relationships with our customers. Participate in international exhibitions and visiting clients. We believe that collaboration is the key to success, and we work closely with our customers to understand their needs and provide tailor-made solutions. Our team is always ready to provide support, whether through product customization, technical assistance, or after-sales service. We value the trust our customers place in us and strive to exceed their expectations every step of the way. Looking ahead, Fillterpur will continue to be committed to innovation and excellence in the water purification industry. We continually invest in research and development to enhance our product offerings and stay ahead of the curve. Our vision is to become a global leader in water purification solutions, providing safe, clean drinking water to communities around the world.